It's been 3 months since I uploaded my last video, and I was so looking forward to this very day. YouTube plays a very special part in my life, especially with my creativity. I learned a lot of things, I discover new things and new skills, and I get to know myself even more. This past few months has been a roller coaster ride. We're working on a big project that cost us not only money, but energy and time. But I'll tell you, it's all worth it. Someday, I hope that I could be able to share with you the journey of the project that we're working on. As a matter of fact, it's not completely done yet, but slowly we're working on it. So yes, we built our forever home here in the countryside. They say that building a house is a dead investment, but not for us. This house is our sanctuary, the place where we build memories, the place where we're all equal and we can be ourselves freely without judgments of society. To a homebody like me, this is where I can be myself without anyone telling me what to do and not to do. This is the place where I can be at peace with myself and work on developing myself even more without the pressure of anyone but myself. Our forever home is not just an investment to us. Rather, it's a constant reminder to me and my husband that working together towards one goal will make every dreams a reality. We're a little skeptical at first, to be honest, but when we finally started it, and we finally visualized the outcome, no one could stop us. Today, I'm going back to YouTube to collect new memories, new clips, new glimpse of our forever home. I'm looking forward to seeing and sharing with you in the next coming videos. And together, we'll cherish the bits and pieces of our life here in the countryside. Thank you all so much for joining me again today, and I'm very much looking forward to see you very soon.